so I came here, and it's wonderful. I cannot believe this exists.
Nirvana, maybe. Yeah.
It's the most fun, free place you can go to in Los Angeles.
Oh, give me land, lots of land under starry skies above. Don't fence me in. Let me ride through the wide open country that I love. Don't fence me in. Let me be by myself in the evening breeze. Listen to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I ask you please, don't fence me in, just turn me loose.
Come on, guys. Over here.
You're the person who is responsible for this whole Club Med dog.
What a wonderful idea. I'll remember that. Yes, we think it's such a marvelous idea, we wish we could franchise it.
How was it started?
5 people sat on a bank right over here. And this park was a destroyed park, heavily vandalized. It was a drug park. It was a gang park. And nobody cared. And I said to some people I really didn't know, nobody cares about this park. I tried to get the city to do something, the police department, you name it, I called them, and they didn't have the money, they didn't have the time, they didn't have the interest. So 5 people who really didn't know each other very well committed to an experiment to see if we could turn this park around. And that is how it all started in the spring of 1982.
What just happened to you?
I just stepped in dog poop.
How do you feel about that? Don't you think that someone should pick it up before?
Yeah, I do, but I figure also going barefoot in the park, you know, you have to expect that.
I know it's a terrible feeling for that to squish in between your toes and just go through.
Heel.
So you feel that you asked for that to happen?
No.
Outside. Well, the sun sinks slowly. My old hand sat right down and cried.
Zeke? No! I don't know.
Well, what did he say about you telling him no about the water?
You say, Dad, I want to do it anyway.
So what about dog rights?
Zeke, don't you think about it. I think that... Zeke, get out of there now! Dog rights, obviously I think he believes in them. I don't believe him too much.
Often to this bar.
Every day.
Every day to
Every
this?
day, yeah, just about. For about the last 3 weeks. He didn't have a chance to meet any dogs up until now, so I brought him up here to get socialized and learn to get along with other dogs and so forth.
And what does he drink with his water?
With his water?
Yeah, at the bar. Does he order anything up special?
No.
But if your dog could order up something special with his water, what do you think he'd ask for?
Oh, chicken soup.
Come on over, baby, a whole lot of shaking going on. Yeah, come on over, baby, baby, you can't go wrong. Honey, I ain't begging, I got a whole lot of shaking going on.
She's only a year.
Come on over, baby, we got chicken in the barn. Woo, honey, come on over, baby, Jerry's got the bull by the horn.
Right. Now go on.
Hey, baby, I got a whole lot of shaking going on. Well, I did shake, oh baby, shake it. I did shake it, baby, shake it. I did shake, don't you let it break now. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it.
If your dog could talk, what would she say?
She'd probably say, "Where's the beef?"
I think he would say, keep the park open and make many more like it.
She'd say I'm Irish.
Please get this woman off the other end of my leash.
What would they say? They'd probably say that they love coming to the park and playing here every weekend.
Give me a yummy.
Hold me and never let me go.
When you're down and troubled and you need a helping hand and nothing, whoa, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, babe, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer or fall, now all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. You got a friend.